problem people have understanding my challenge is the same problem they have understanding religion in general, and proving my point to a T. It has to do with understanding oneself, self-knowledge, knowledge of self, self-determination, body mechanics, mind, body, soul, and have heart. Even rappers such as E40 talk about have heart. It is such a common and never-ending theme in African culture, which includes every race and every group of people. One must deliver the blow. If they cannot, it does not matter how hard they can strike. Think of a big gun, a Desert Eagle. If somebody has a .22 and you have a Desert Eagle, he pulls it out and shoots you between the eyes. Who wins? The guy with a more powerful gun, or the guy who can apply his weapon better to kill? And so it is in war. One must kill, one must hunt, as it is in the Bible. Nahum, 3, 8 through 10. And when it talks about Nimrod being a great hunter before the Lord, it also shows Cush. Okay, Cush in Egypt were her boundless strength. Nimrod's a great hunter. You do the math. So when Bruce Lee talks about the most direct attack is the most effective, you can draw the parallels and easily come to the conclusion that a little man must have a lot of heart to overcome a big man. But no man can overcome a chosen man. Thank you.